Welcome class. Today we will proceed further with our 8th chapter articles. In our previous video we have discussed indefinite article. Today we will go through definite articles. So what are definite articles? The is known as definite article as it indicates a specific person or thing. So the is known as definite article. Earlier we came to know that a and an is known as indefinite article, and today we will come to know that the is known as definite article as it is indicating a special person or a thing. It says about a special person or a special thing. See the first point. The is used when the sentence talks about something definite. The is used when we are talking about a special thing or a person. When we are talking about something special, about a specific person or a thing. See the example. Please give me the book lying on the table. We are talking about the specific book which is lying on the table. So the is used before the noun which is specific here. Should I go to the playground? Here we are talking about a specific playground. So we are using the article the before the playground noun. Now come to the second point. The is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. So we will always remember that the is used before the superlative degree of any adjective. See, best, highest, tallest, smartest, wisest, toughest. These all are superlative degree. So before superlative degree, the is used. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Atul is the tallest among all the boys. So the is used before the superlative degree of any adjective. Third point is the is used before name of things unique of their kind. So we will use the before the name of the things which are unique in this universe. Like the sun gives us heat and light. Only there is one sun in the whole universe. So we will use the before sun. The moon is cool. It revolves around the earth. Here the moon, the earth. Earth and moon are only one. So the is being used. The tiger is our national animal. Here our national animal is only one, that is the tiger. No elephant is our national animal. Only the tiger is our national animal. So the is used before the tiger. So whenever the names are of unique kind of their own, so we will use the before the noun. Now we will come to the fourth point. The is used before names of oceans, seas, river, canals and mountain ranges. So we will always use the before the names of oceans, seas, rivers, canal, mountain ranges. The will go with them. See, here examples are given: the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, the Gangas. So these all are the example of special seas, ocean, mountains, etc. The is used before the name of famous building. The is also used before the name of famous buildings like the Red Fort, the India Gate, the Taj Mahal. The is used before the name of ships, aeroplane. So we will use the before the name of ships and aeroplane. The Titanic, the Vikrant, the Jaguar. So these all are examples of ships and aeroplane. We will use the before the name of ships and aeroplane, etc. The is used before the name of certain country which include words like kingdom, states, etc. So we will use the before the name of certain countries. that are including the word kingdom and states, etc. See here example, the USA, the UK. Here this country consists of states. Here this country UK consists of the word kingdom. So we will use the before the names of these countries. The is used before the name of class of people or community. So we will use the before the name of class of people or community. The Indian, it is a community. The Sikh, the Muslim, the American, these all are name of people and communities. Omission of the articles. Articles are not used before proper materials and abstract noun. So we will not use article before proper noun, material noun and abstract noun. Wood is an important substance. Here wood is a material noun. So we will not use article before material noun. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is a abstract noun. We will not use any article before honesty. Now come to the next point. Articles are not used before the names of countries or mountain peaks. So earlier we came to know that we will use article only with certain countries like USA, the UK, but the will not go with the names of every country. Only USA and UK, these all countries the will be used, but not in every country or mountain peaks. Like India has a large population, no article is being used. K2 is the highest peak of India. Here no article is being used with K2, which is a mountain peak. Now come to next point. No article is used before the names of days, month and season. We will not use any article before the names of days, month and season. January is very cold in Delhi. So no article is being placed before January as it is a name of month. Saturday, no article is being placed as it is a name of day. Autumn, it is a season. No article is being placed before it. Now we will come here. No article is used before a noun if it is followed by a number. So we will not use any noun. We will not use any article before a noun which is followed by a number. See, here street is a noun but it is followed by a number 18. So no article is being placed before street. Here bus number 753. Bus is a noun and bus is followed by a number 753. So no article is being placed before bus. So we will not put any article before a noun which is followed by a number. Now we will come to position of article. So how we will place the article in a sentence? Normally articles are placed before nouns. So we came to know that articles are placed before nouns. We will always place article just before the noun. Like a chair, an umbrella, an orange. Chair, umbrella, orange. These all are example of nouns and articles are just placed before noun. If the noun is preceded by an adjective, an article will be placed before the adjective. So whenever in a sentence, if the adjective is being preceded by the noun, we will always place the article before the noun. See the example. Bijay is an honest boy. Here boy is a noun and honest is an adjective. So we will place the article just before the adjective. Honest, rich, good, new, easy, interesting. These all are adjective and the articles are being just placed before the adjective as this sentences contains adjective. So students, today we have completed our chapter. Your homework is to go through the chapter and read the points given in the chapter. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.